Our airlines are also thriving with regional carriers emerging, signaling the sector's robust health, where Indian pilots renowned globally for their expertise and professionalism continue to set new benchmarks in the aviation industry. And also not only just the physical connectivity, we are also concentrating more on how do we improve our MRO activity in the country. We feel that it is the real gold mine behind the civil aviation sector, not only in the job creation, in economic growth, but also in bolstering the civil aviation sector for further growth in the future. And in our remarkable trajectory growth, Indian carriers collectively placed an order of more than 2,000 aircrafts. 300 have been delivered, 17,000 are yet to be delivered in the next 10 years. Imagine that kind of capacity coming into the Indian fleet. And this is the real strength that we are going to witness in the coming years. And at the heart of this transformation is the creation of new airports. Nobody would have thought that we would be creating airports at such a great pace. Creating roads itself is a great achievement for us. But creating airports, where people thought that airports were like marvels, like engineering marvels and all, but we have created an expertise in creating these airports. And just like how Vaibhavji has shared, in 2014 we had 74 airports, and currently it is 159 and counting. We have 2 more where we are waiting for the date of our Honorable Prime Minister so that we can launch 2 more also. They are all ready right now. And we are going to create 50 more airports in the next 5 years. So we have masterized the whole concept of creating more airports. And this has driven the whole aviation sector forward today. And the NDA government is totally committed to build connectivity and to give world-class airports to the people of this country. And NDA, which is the National Democratic Alliance, and we have redefined it. It is not only the National Democratic Alliance, it is the National Development Alliance also, where the focus for all of us is infrastructure, innovation, and inclusion for all the people of this country. And I talk about Viksit Bharat, I talk about Viksit airports, and I envision them being more than just transport hubs, transit hubs for the whole country. Our airports are our economic engines driving national growth. One airport in one place creates so much economic activity, it redefines the whole sectors of that space, especially the tourism sector. When an airport comes, the tourism sector booms in that place. Real estate sector, you just say place an airport, the idea of an airport somewhere, then the whole prices of the whole land over there just spikes up. And then you have job creation, the MRO sector, engineering sector, IT sector, so many other sectors are connected with the building of just one airport. So we understand the seriousness of how much this airport sector or the aviation sector creates to a certain space. So that is why the creation of these airports and the introduction of this aviation sector is not only limited to the tier 1 and metro cities. We are going to tier 2 cities and we are going to tier 3 cities also.